First aid training is essential in every workplace, but traditional in-person courses can be time-consuming and challenging to schedule. This is where blended first aid training offers a more flexible and efficient alternative. Blended learning combines online video-based training with practical hands-on sessions, allowing employees to complete theoretical learning at their own pace while still gaining vital practical first aid skills in person. Blended learning has become an increasingly popular option because it balances flexibility and compliance. Some of the key benefits include employees can complete theory sections online at their own time, reducing disruption to work schedules. Online modules allow employees to pause, rewind and revisit content, helping them absorb and retain information more effectively. Employers can reduce the cost of training by minimizing the time spent away from work, as the practical sessions are shorter than a full in-person course. Blended training meets HSE requirements as long as the practical element is completed in person with a qualified instructor. And finally, using pre-recorded video online courses, lessons ensure that all employees receive the same high-quality instruction, avoiding differences in training delivery. Blended first aid training follows a two-part structure. Online learning. Employees complete a self-paced e-learning course covering essential first aid topics. The interactive online course features videos, quizzes and knowledge checks to reinforce learning. Once the online part is completed, an in-person practical session is completed where learners attend a face-to-face session with a qualified first aid instructor after completing the online modules. This session focuses on practical skills. This blended approach ensures that employees develop the confidence and skills to respond effectively in emergencies. Several workplace first aid courses can be delivered in blended training formats, including the appointed persons, EFAW, FAW, paediatric and AED courses. At Pro Trainings, we specialise in video-based online training courses that form part of a blended first aid training solution. Our courses allow learners to complete detailed, engaging online training before attending a practical session. Employers can track on employee progress through online training portals, ensuring that all staff complete the necessary training. Our courses are designed to meet the HSE requirements, ensuring compliance while offering a greater flexibility to businesses. For more details, visit protrainings.uk. Blended training offers a modern, effective and convenient way to ensure employees receive high-quality first aid education. By combining the best aspects of online learning with hands-on experience, workplaces can provide comprehensive first aid training while minimising disruption and cost.